Kids have it great these days. And these 10 coolest cars for kids make us wish that we were able to get in on the action ourselves. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Bugatti Veyron. When you want your kids to really make a statement and be the talk of the town, this kid-sized Bugatti Veyron really helps to hammer that point home and make them the envy of all of their friends. With a custom build time of 3 to 4 months and a price tag of $50,000, it's clear that this is only a toy for the seriously rich and famous. This kid's car boasts a 500cc engine that delivers 40 horsepower and even includes all-wheel drive, which is pretty badass to say the least. It's touted as a real car in miniature form and comes complete with leather seats for total comfort for the driver and passenger. It also comes in a variety of colors, allowing for total customization, and even has a rear spoiler that extends and retracts at the push of a button, with doors that open up instead of out. The entire car is manufactured to exact specifications and is any kid's dream car. Spiro Rover. Designed to excite the geek in all of us, including adults, the Spiro Rover is a programmable car that can also help teach your kids a lot about both coding and engineering. It's simple to use and is designed to be used by kids who have no prior coding experience. The Spiro Rover can be manually driven with the included joystick or made to be completely autonomous. It has a complete control system and an open loop so it can even adapt and learn from its environment, even being able to tackle difficult terrain with ease. You can even add up to 2 pounds of additional accessories, or build your own 3D printed custom parts. It works well with Mac, Windows, Linux, or Android devices. The UART interface can communicate with a wired interface, improving how you program and use the Spiro Rover. The frame is durable, and its drive time can be extended with the purchase of additional batteries with no problem at all. Toyota Camry 57S. Toyota's newest toy is a fully customizable car built with kids in mind, and was featured at the International Tokyo Toy Show back in 2014. Kids can even use crayons or paint to design their own hood decoration that is then displayed via built-in LEDs across the vehicle's 57 detachable panels. The convertible is big enough to fit an adult, but is definitely meant for kids to enjoy as well. The Camry's frame is durable and can withstand serious abuse, meaning your kids will be safe and secure while also looking cool. It really is a mini car with a miniature that is a smaller copy of an actual car in almost every way. The vehicle measures 106 inches long and is 51 inches wide, propelled along with an electric motor to drive the rear axle. Drift. A racing and drifting simulator in a teeny tiny package, the Drift is a 1:43 scale of an actual drift-ready kit car. The engineers kept real drift physics in mind during its design, along with real sounds and virtual tuning capabilities. Challenging your friends to actual races around miniature tracks that will make you feel like a pro race car driver has never been so simple. The accompanying game lets you take to the track and simulate engine power of up to 1,000 horsepower when you get tired of driving the physical toy around, or just want to show off how good you are at beating the competition. The toy also has customizable tracks, so you can build your own racetrack to practice on by using the accompanying app that you can download to your phone or tablet. Aero Smart Kart. A supercharged go-kart that is fun for the whole family, the Aero is amazingly cool and handles like a dream. An app lets you monitor your vehicle remotely. You can stop or start the kart with the press of a button, or even control speed or create safe driving zones, along with a whole lot more. Additional body kits make customization easy, and adjustable pedals account for drivers of all sizes. 2 independent electric motors power this beast, and the pneumatic rubber tires provide maximized grip on all sorts of surfaces. The steel chassis provides extra safety measures, and it's got a built-in GPS so parents can monitor its exact location. It even has sensors for obstacle avoidance, just in case your little tyke isn't the most coordinated driver. Batmobile RC Vehicle. This remote-controlled Batmobile doesn't just come with its own Batman figurine. It's got a driver's POV camera to put you squarely in the action, along with a complete HUD overlay to keep you informed of everything that's going on under the hood. The toy includes real engine sounds and can even pump a trail of smoke out of the exhaust pipe to provide total realism. The super speed battery system allows for 30 minutes of drive time and only takes 30 minutes to take it from being dead to fully charged, keeping you up and running more so than most RC cars. The wheels are all armored for added durability, but the coolest part has to be the remote turrets that all swivel at your command, with an elevated mode for improved aiming accuracy. Ultimate Lightning McQueen. Another toy created by Spiro, the Lightning McQueen is a smartphone-controlled animatronic car based on the same character from the hit movie, Cars. It's hyper-realistic, with a reverse mode and battery that provides an amazing 40 minutes of drive time. Drivers can do donuts or provide an insane speed boost at the press of a button. The accompanying app has a range of 30 meters and displays all the information you need, including speed and remaining battery life, along with an on-screen joystick for easy maneuverability. There are plenty of other options available, such as headlights that automatically turn on in dim light, 6 capacitive touch-reactive sensors, and a way to make Lightning say all of his movie-based catchphrases. Auto Fabrica Type 0.1. A mini dirt bike that rivals its full-sized counterparts, the Auto Fabrica Type 0.1 is seriously cool. This bike lets kids join older riders on the track and feel like they're one of the big kids. 10-inch wheels provide extra stability, and the shocks are just as capable as those found on adult bikes, making it perfect for practicing tricks. The frame has been lightened, and the engine is a full rebuild that is powerful enough to be a ton of fun. This teeny bike can even support a full-sized adult if necessary, and is built to withstand all sorts of abuse and keep on going. Landspeeder. For the die-hard Star Wars fan in all of us, this true-to-the-movie Landspeeder makes anyone feel like a true Skywalker. It can hold 2 tyke-sized passengers side by side, and was first revealed at Comic-Con International in 2017. It doesn't hover like the original, but uses a set of wheels to propel it along at a safe speed while also providing plenty of stability. Power Wheels Boomerang. And that brings us to the Power Wheels Boomerang that can speed kids along at a decent speed or even do donuts at the press of a button located on the steering wheel. The vehicle tilts when drivers make a turn to help them feel like they're moving super fast while remaining totally safe. The all-wheel drive system provides total control access across all types of terrain, and power lock brakes are another awesome feature. The Boomerang can reach speeds of 5 miles per hour, and can even drive 2.5 miles per hour when it's kicked into reverse. And that's 10 coolest cars for kids. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be a part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.